Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to learn how you can use JavaScript's local storage. Yes, how you can use JavaScript's local storage. I'm having two files. One is main.html and दूसरी file रहेगा localstorage.js. So let's copy the path, open your browser and just copy the path and right click, inspect, open the console, and here we can see the output. Okay, so let's start. So local storage.js, and now let's make one variable const, let's say weekday, week underscore day is equal to Saturday. Okay, hit save, reload, nothing. Now if you go to application, here you see storage option, and you have different type of storage: local storage, session storage, IndexedDB, WebSQL, cookies, trusted tokens, and interest groups. What you need to use is local storage because this lecture is about local storage. And if you click on this file, you have some representation for key and value. Like in objects, you have key and value pairs. Like that only, local storage also have key and value pairs. So we are going to save some data. We are going to insert some data over here. How? I am going to use two functions, like one function insert data to local storage. Okay, like this. And here one I need is data, and second I need key and data. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use window dot local storage dot set item. I'm going to set item. So local storage के अंदर, now let me do one thing. First of all, let me console.log window dot local storage, and let's check out what all we have inside this. If we reload, we get storage length. Okay, and if you check out the prototype of this local storage, what is prototype? Don't remember now. इस पे आप बिल्कुल ध्यान मत दीजिए. Just you need to check what are methods available inside this. We have set item, we have remove item, we have key, we have get item, and we have clear. So we want to set the data inside this storage. So what we are going to do is we are going to set. In order to set, what we can do, let's comment this. Here we are going to use window dot local storage dot set item, and then if you hover over this function, just hover, you see you would need one key and one value. Set the value of the pair identified by the key to value, creating a new key value pair if none exist. So that means you need one key. In my case, I'm using week day. Okay, and we need here the data. So in my case, I can use key here and data here. Similarly, we'll use to remove that data. Remove data from local storage. And this time we need only the key, because हम data कैसे remove कर पाएंगे? Using only the key. Key के मदद से हम वो data remove कर पाएंगे. So we use local storage dot remove item, and now you need just the key name. कौन सी key remove करना है, उसके साथ में उसका data भी चला जाएगा. So we just pass the key. And also we need one function to get the data. Get data from local storage. And this time also हमें सिर्फ की चाहिए. window.localstorage.get item. And now we are going to get the item on that key. And we are going to return the data. Okay. So you can hover over this and this returns a string. Perfect. Now let's try to store one data into this. Local storage first key is going to be weekday. Weekday is going to be the key. And then the data will be weekday. Just like this. Okay. Save. And as soon as I hit reload, you see one key and value is here now. Okay. This is the key and this is the value. Now, how we can get the value? Just use, now data is inserted. So I will comment this and now we want to get the data. How? You use one variable const result is equal to, we use get storage and then pass the key. And now we can use alert function to alert the result. Hit save, hit reload, you get the value Saturday. Because you pass the key, you get the value. Okay, perfect. Now how you can remove the data? Just use remove function, pass the key, weekday, hit save, reload, your data is removed. And also if you have again something in your, like you have 2 to 3 data, you have weekday 1, you have weekday 2, weekday 3, and you have then, in my case, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, hit save, reload, you have 3 data. How you can clear everything? आप कैसे सब कुछ clear कर सकते एक one shot में? Let me tell you. You use the function window.localstorage.clear and this will clear. Remove item क्या करता है? What does the remove item do? Remove item takes one key and remove that key's data. Clears entire full local storage. Reload, you see all data is gone. So this is how you can use local storage in JavaScript. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel because my next target is 600. And I'm providing you over 25 technologies, 25 plus technologies, all free of cost. Please help us by supporting, by hitting the subscribe button and watching the entire video. And if you have any doubt, do mention me in the comment section below and I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning.